Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to introduce the preparatory work that needs to be completed in advance when installing a composite salt spray test chamber. Before installation, make sure to check the ventilation system. Water needs to be added inside the equipment, including the interior of the test chamber and the ceiling groove. Can only be added to the salt water storage tank. Compared with an ordinary salt spray test chamber, the composite salt spray test chamber has an additional water source additionally. That is the water tank, which provides water for maintaining the temperature and humidity conditions inside the test chamber. In addition, there is a separate saltwater storage tank. It should be noted that salt water can only be added to the saltwater storage tank, and no salt water should be added to other places. The pressure saturation tank also needs to be filled with water. During the operation, never pour water into it when the equipment is running. The test chamber is equipped with a drain valve. This is the drain outlet, which is used to discharge the wastewater inside the test chamber. There is also an automatic water replenishment device, which is used to maintain the water level inside the test chamber. There is an exhaust port, which is used to discharge the waste gas inside the test chamber. If possible, connect the exhaust pipe outdoors. The power supply needs to be connected to a 380-volt power source to ensure that the voltage meets the requirements. Thank you all for listening. See you next time.